Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Today we'll be installing a door actuator into this 2010 Toyota Corolla early. The problem I have with this is that the door lock works manually from outside if I use my key on it, but the remote lock doesn't work, and sometimes it works erratically and sometimes it doesn't even work. My 4 door locks, this one is not even working anymore. You can see if I turn this on and they're like, hey, it only makes sound and nothing works anymore. This one at the back just works now, and if I lock it again, he locks, but you can see it's unlocking, so it's misbehaving. So I went ahead and bought this door lock actuator on Amazon. Yeah, this is for the driver's side. I bought for the 4 of them. So today I'm just going to be installing the driver's side first, and another day I'll go ahead and install the rest for the doors. So first, to do that, to take this door out, there are screws you need to take out. The Phillips screw right here. There's one behind the internal door lock. So you gotta take 2 Phillips screwdriver out. You're gonna take this Twitter part out, and you take this lock out as well before you can take the entire door out. So I'll show you in a minute. So just to mention, it's good to have all this prying tools on hand. I have a couple of them right here. I have another one right here, so whichever one I want to use, I can just use to pry and then take out the panel and everything out. So that's the screwdriver I'm talking about. There's one right here, and to take this one out, just lift this guy right here, and then so the other one as well. This is the second one. This one taken out. I'm going to take both of them on 1, 2. So after taking the screws out, the next thing will be to take this switch out, and to do that you have to pry this cover open. You can just get your prying bar, and it's going to come out. Alright. Yep, see? So easy. And the ones that's a harness you need to disconnect at the back right here. You're just gonna pull that and disconnect it. So the wiring harness is off with this, so it's out of the way now. So the next step will be this Twitter panel. You just gotta, if you pull it right here, you see from the back here, it's just gonna pull it out. Right here, so it's out, easy. So once this things has been taken out, the next thing is to get to your door panel and then carefully get them all around and take them out. So just gonna go by this. Here you go, the door panel is down. So the only thing you need to do carefully now is to take the door handle out, and you can do that by pressing the tabs around there and then get it out. So let me quickly explain. The tab, this little tab, it's right in here. So you gotta find a way just to push it out. And once it's pushed out, it's gonna come out this way, and then your door is off. The next thing to take out will be the door lock control and the remote one. So this is just how to take it out. Quick. So next thing to do is to remove the wire harness to the remote lock. So this is the one that gives signal to your door out here remotely. So I'll disconnect this out. Open the service hole cover more so you can have room carefully, because you're gonna put that back. Take everything out. Take this one out. Take that guy out as well. There's this handle over here that you just need to take out. See it over here? Take that, that's the bracket for the door. Just take it out as well. Get your 10mm and take this bracket out. So now the bracket is out, it gives me more room. Take the service hole cover out. So with this I have access to the door more. So the next thing for me to do now, remove this door hole keyhole cover so I can remove the key lock here. Definitely I'm gonna need a prying tool for that. So I'm gonna pry this. Easy. So there's a TORX screw in here that I need to take out with my top T30 screwdriver right here. I'm just gonna take that out carefully. So the next thing to do now is just to take this one out of, yep, see how, and this is your key lock. You just take it out. So taking the key lock out now. So the next thing I need to do is to take this 10mm bolt. This is gonna take out the door lower frame out for me. It's easier. Screw that. And bring it out. So carefully, this is the door lower frame rod. Just pull it out, slide it out of the rubber here. See how it goes in, and put it on the side. And the next thing we're gonna be getting to is the dowel rod right here, which we're gonna take out in a moment. To get to the dowel rod, I will need a flat screwdriver to push. Right. I think you can see that. That's a clip that's holding this dowel rod right here. I'm just gonna have to push in it, unlock it, and it's unlocked. The next thing is to take this TORX screw out right here to get the actuator out. So there are 3. I'm gonna unlock the 3 real quick and then get the door actuator out. Now my door actuator is out. I'm gonna take it out carefully. And there's the big guy that's messed up. This rod is the rod that holds the door from outside, and it's connected to this. So this is where the rods enter the side. And what you're gonna do, some people will advise that you take it off, like you can pull off. So what I do is press this guy down, press it down this way. You press it down this way, then you can be able to pull the rod out of it. So you press it down with one hand and you pull the rod out of it. This is the one I bought. So all I will do right now is to disconnect this one and connect it right in here. So now I've put all the cable back into this new one I just bought. So I just put back the new one I bought in there. Now I'm gonna tighten the TORX screw back, put everything together, and test it. If it works. So the next thing is to put my keyhole back in it, and I have to make sure I set this well to go right into it. Alright, it's in there, and I'm gonna tighten this right here. Put everything back. Put the keyhole back, tighten this one right here, put the cover over it. I have to put in the new door actuator, putting back the key, and then keyhole cover. You need to put everything back in shape here. Put your service hole cover, and we're gonna put the bracket back in here, connect this guy here, and then connect the window switch and the remote. So now I put back the bracket. Next thing for me to do is to connect the remote switch right in here and get the inside door handle, and then connect this like this. So how you're gonna have it, you're gonna have the green one on top and the white one at the bottom. That's how it's gonna go in. Like I said, this is how you're gonna have it. I just put the green one on top and the white one at the bottom. So with this, I can bring my door back, put my door on it, and put the power, window power. So now it's the time for me to test if this works or not. So right now, moment of truth. Yup, you see that? Yup. That's what I'm talking about. Work. Yup. Excellent. So I'm gonna put this together now, and you're gonna see it's because my door is locked. That's why it's sending it back. But you can see the central lock move now, which is actually a good thing. This is actually what I wanted to do. I'll put this back, put everything back, lock, and I will also do for this side and for the other passenger side. It's only the driver side that's working right now. And for me to let you know, this part only cost me $37 on Amazon to get. And you can actually get this on Amazon, the actuator, and then put it in yourself. So yeah, everything is back to where it all started now. I installed it and it's working fine. It's working fine now. It's responding like it should. Original time. Alright. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I also have some videos coming up. So see you again next time. Thank you.